Are AIs better at learning than
Good.
humans?
Okay, excellent.
You're welcome.
So they're solving a slightly different problem from us. So in your brain, you have 100 trillion connections, roughly speaking.
Okay.
That's a lot. And you only live for about 2 billion seconds. That's not much.
No, 3 billion. 2 billion is 63 years. We do better than that today.
Yeah, it's true. I was going to come to that. I was going to say, luckily for me, it's a bit more than 2 billion. But,
Yes.
but we're dealing with orders of magnitude here. So 2 billion, 3 billion, who cares?
Yeah, all right.
If you compare how many seconds you live for with how many connections you've got, you have a whole lot more connections than experiences. Now, with these neural nets, it's sort of the other way around. They only have of the order of 1 trillion connections. So like 1% of your connections, even in a big language model.
Wow.
And many of them have fewer. But they get thousands of times more experience than you.
Right.
So the big language models are solving the problem with not many connections, only 1 trillion. How do I make use of a huge amount of experience? And backpropagation is really, really good at packing huge amounts of knowledge into not many connections. But that's not the problem we're solving. We've got huge numbers of connections, not much experience. We need to sort of extract the most we can from each experience. So we're solving slightly different problems, which is one reason for thinking the brain might not be using backpropagation.
Right. I was about to say, it sounds like we don't use backpropagation. However, would that mean the brute force of adding connections to the neural net increase its effective thinking so that it surpasses us with no problem?
So then it would have more experience and more network
Correct. It
connections.
has more experience automatically.